Hey folks, welcome to a new video. This time again a very special Matchbox vehicle. Specifically we have here the Spacex Dragon Capsule. The Dragon Capsule is one of, a small spacecraft from the US company SpaceX, which was initially developed only for cargo flights, basically just to shoot cargo into space, then later also to transport or bring people, for example, to the International Space Station, the ISS. And I believe this is exactly that version. That means this is the Dragon 2, the successor model, because you can see on the Dragon that there are some kind of peepholes or windows. That's why I assume it's the version that was designed for humans, to send humans into space, and is still being used to bring people or astronauts to the ISS. A very, very cool model, I think, from Matchbox. Really very well done, and as always, you now have the opportunity to purchase it from my online shop at www.big-mike.de. I'd be happy if you stop by for a moment. You will definitely get it at a good price from me, cheaper than on Amazon. I would be very pleased if you stop by. I wish you a lot of fun and see you in the next video. Thank you for